Rome wasn't built in a day. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. Rome, the magnificent city known for its rich history and architectural marvels, serves as a testament to the saying, "Rome wasn't built in a day." This proverb teaches us an important lesson about patience, perseverance, and the value of hard work. It reminds us that great achievements require time and dedication. In our fast-paced world, instant gratification often seems enticing. We yearn for immediate success, wealth, and happiness. However, the reality is that true greatness and lasting accomplishments take time to unfold. Rome, once a humble settlement, took centuries to become the eternal city we admire today. Applying this proverb to our lives can bring forth significant positive changes. Firstly, it encourages us to be patient. Just as constructing a city as magnificent as Rome required decades of effort, we must realize that personal growth and success take time. It's important to set realistic expectations and allow ourselves the opportunity to learn, adapt, and grow. Secondly, this proverb urges us to persevere in the face of challenges. Building extraordinary structures like the Colosseum or the Pantheon required overcoming countless obstacles. Similarly, life presents us with hurdles that may hinder our progress. By persisting and finding solutions to these hurdles, we can achieve our goals and ultimately succeed. Furthermore, the proverb reminds us to appreciate the journey rather than fixate solely on the end result. The construction of Rome was a complex and arduous process, but each brick laid and each road paved contributed to the final masterpiece. Likewise, in our own lives, it is important to acknowledge and celebrate each step forward, no matter how small, as they all contribute to our personal growth and success. Additionally, Rome serves as a reminder of the value of hard work. The labor and dedication invested by countless individuals over the centuries created a city that still stands as a testament to human achievement. This teaches us that in order to achieve greatness, we must be willing to put in the effort, whether it be in our personal or professional pursuits. Overall, the saying, "Rome wasn't built in a day," encapsulates the timeless wisdom that success and lasting accomplishments require time, patience, perseverance, and hard work. By applying this proverb to our own lives, we can cultivate a mindset that embraces growth, appreciates the journey, and ultimately leads us towards achieving our goals and dream. Rome, with all its grandeur, stands as a constant reminder that the path to greatness is not a sprint but a marathon. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.